Imagine a tool that can transform your mobile app design dreams into a tangible reality. A tool so powerful and intuitive that it can streamline your design process and bring your ideas to life with just a few clicks. Welcome to the world of Figma, a game changer in the realm of mobile app design. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that allows you to create, prototype, and collaborate on your designs in real time. It's a one-stop shop for all your design needs, and today we'll break down the process of using Figma and creating wireframes into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Dive into the world of Figma by creating an account on their website. With your account ready, you can now explore the Figma workspace, a wonderland of tools and features waiting for your creative touch. To start designing, open a new file and familiarize yourself with the design panel. Here you'll find a plethora of tools such as the Shape tool, Pen tool, and Text tool, which you can use to create and manipulate your designs. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, creating a wireframe. A wireframe is a skeletal outline of your app, a blueprint that guides your design process. The first example of a wireframe we'll discuss is for a simple messaging app. Start by sketching out the main features of your app, like the chat box, contact list, and settings menu. Use the Shape tool to create these elements and the Text tool to label them. The second example is a wireframe for an e-commerce app. Here, you'd want to include elements like the product display, shopping cart, and checkout button. Again, use the Shape and Text tools to create and label these elements. Once you've created your wireframe, it's time to add some color and style. Navigate to the Properties panel to change the color, font, and other design elements of your wireframe. Lastly, don't forget to use the prototype feature of Figma. This allows you to simulate the user experience of your app and make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your design. That's it! You've just created a mobile app wireframe using Figma. To recap, we've explored the world of Figma, a powerful tool for mobile app design. We've walked through the process of creating an account, familiarizing yourself with the design panel, and creating 2 different wireframes. We've also discussed how to add color and style to your wireframes and how to use the prototype feature to simulate the user experience. Remember, the beauty of Figma lies in its simplicity and flexibility. It empowers you to bring your design ideas to life, no matter how big or small. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and start designing with Figma today.